New Orleans injury attorney Brent. So what are experts used for in a personal injury case? Why do we need them? Experts are there to assist the jury and the judge, if you, for example, in a personal injury case. And the typical experts that I would see in my practice would be two types: liability and damage experts. And so a liability expert, for example, would be, if you take a maritime case, would be a maritime safety expert, or somebody that has maritime experience. And typically, I would tender them as a maritime safety expert. If I had a trucking case, for example, and needed somebody to assist the jury on liability, I might get a trucking expert, somebody that has worked in the trucking industry for a number of years, or perhaps a motor carrier safety expert, somebody that knows all the different regulations that truckers have to abide by, the number of hours they can drive before they have to take a rest, whether somebody has to be drug tested after an accident. There's all kind of laws. It's a heavily regulated industry. And I think it certainly in our cases, I think it would help the jury to understand what things were violated, or what a company did or didn't do. And then other experts that I often see are your economists, who can figure out the present value of your lost wages in a damage case. Vocational experts will give opinions to the judge or the jury whether or not somebody can go back to work in total or in part, whether they could, for example, if you had somebody that worked full-time before the accident, was making $100,000 a year because of a certain injury, now they might have an opinion that somebody can only go and make $40,000 a year working, instead of working offshore, for example, working on land, making much less money. So you have all these guys with specialized knowledge, men and women, who give opinions to the courts, and that's what experts are used for. They're there to help the jury and the judge, and to help make justice. Have a good day. Take care.